AI, bots, robots, trading bots. Will trading bots take over from retail traders? And does it work? Is it a positive? Will it make you money? Will it make a retail trader money? The whole thing about these bots is how good are they and can you make money from them? A lot of traders are climbing in with trading robots. And yeah, AI, what does AI stand for? Let's start there, because AI stands for artificial intelligence. And the reason I'm doing this is because I also hate it when everybody abbreviates everything from whatever they do. Whether it's the military, the police, drug dealers, it doesn't matter. Everybody's got abbreviations for everything. And then they speak to you, and they speak to you in the abbreviation, and they tell you AI, and you think to yourself, well, if I ask what that is, they're going to think I'm silly. So it stands for artificial intelligence. But it's trading bots, it's robots, and it's effectively the computer doing your trading for you. And is that a good thing? I mean, is that something that you want to do? Because you're leaving your trading in the hands of a robot, which is kind of scary in its own way. But it also is attractive because somebody else is taking that pressure off your shoulders. While they're taking that pressure off your shoulders and you're not watching it anymore, there's no emotion attached to it. So I just want to, have a look at this whole scenario. A lot of guys have done a lot of back testing with these robots. A lot of guys have had a look at the whole scenario. Some of them are good, some of them are not. Do they make you money? Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. If you don't like losing money, don't trade. And while you're here, pop down, have a look at my secret blog. 10 seconds of your time, guys. Just pop down to the secret blog. There's a free Forex book in the left. I think on the phone it might be down at the bottom underneath the blog post. I post a free trade there every day for everyone. And if you want the free book, it's in a PDF. Just grab it and download it and enjoy it. It's totally free, no strings attached. Now that you have the free trade every day, perhaps you don't need the trading bot. I don't know. But yeah, the thing with trading bots and robots is they work on somebody puts a system together, right? And they work on past history on a very technical basis. So they take what's happened in the past and they put it into the future, a lot like you do with your own trading, as you do every single day. You work on past history and you expect it to repeat itself in the future. Now, there are some really good ones out there and there are some really total rubbish ones out. But the problem with all of these trading bots is, I always call it the market's a 50-50 game. It's never going to win 10 trades in a row. It's going to do exactly what you would do. So you might as well put a trade in, put a take profit, put a stop loss in and go shopping. It's exactly the same as a trading bot. The only difference is the trading bot's going to take the trades while you're sleeping. There's no emotion attached to it. There's no feeling attached to it. So if it puts a stop loss in, it's going to wait for that stop loss. If it puts a take profit in, it's going to wait for that take profit. And it's not going to have the feel to when to add to a profitable trade. It's just going to take that trade. That's it. End of story. And it switches on when it wants to. So it's in control of all your trades. So I don't like that kind of scenario myself. Now, there are bots available out there where you can create your own bot if you're too busy to sit and trade. In other words, you can put your own criteria into a bot, create the bot, and it'll trade according to your system, the way you've put it together, and it'll also trade it on an automated basis. Now, the thing with this, guys, is whether it's your system or somebody else's system, always remember that a robot doesn't have feelings. It can't feel what's happening in the world. If you feel there might just be a crash this weekend, or something might go drastically wrong, then the robot won't be able to effect that for you. You would have to, that is something that comes from inside. It's your own inner feeling, and it's something that you feel coming. If there's a world war coming, you know it's coming. The robot doesn't know. The robot hasn't figured that out. So bots at the moment only work on that technical basis and the information that has been fed from historical figures, and it'll work forward according to those figures. Good thing about them though is they will take out your stop loss, and you probably won't go bankrupt based on that. A trading bot cannot and will not make a decision based on any fundamentals at the moment. I do believe that in the far future, or in the future, even in the near future, to be quite honest with you, robots are going to start taking over in a lot of areas and a lot of things, and in particular, most likely trading as well. And they're going to start being able to read the fundamentals, understand what's happening in the world. Because if you take a bot and you create it, these AI robots will start recreating themselves, and they'll start growing on that. And that's a subject all by itself. They're completely on its own. It's got nothing to do with trading effectively. But all I'm saying is in the future, robots become a lot more intelligent than what they are now. At the moment, they still work on a basis of how we've programmed them in. So that's my feeling on bots. That's my feeling on robots. I hope that helps you in some way or another. And guys, watch my last video, and don't forget to subscribe or follow. Cheers, till next time. Bye.